In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my microphone not working in Loom. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser. Once the browser is open, you will want to type Loom into the search bar. This action is essential because it directs you to the official Loom website where you can access all the necessary features. As you type, look for suggestions that appear in your search engine. Once you see Loom in the results, you'll be ready to move on. This is the first step in troubleshooting your microphone issue, and it sets the stage for further actions. Next, click on the correct link that leads to the official Loom site. It's important to ensure that you are selecting the correct link to avoid any third-party sites that might cause confusion or security issues. You'll recognize the right link by its URL. Look for loom.com. Once you click on this link, your browser will take you directly to the Loom homepage. This ensures that you are working within the proper environment to address your microphone problems effectively. Now you will need to log into your Loom account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. This step is crucial because only logged-in users can access their microphone settings. You will see fields asking for your email and password. Once you enter your credentials and hit the login button, you will gain access to your Loom dashboard. This step is fundamental as it allows you to configure settings specific to your account. At this point, if you are using the Loom browser extension, be aware that your browser might actively block your webcam. This is a common issue that can also affect microphone functionality. Make sure to consider this possibility as you proceed. Next, look at the left side of your browser's address bar, right next to loom.com. You should see a small icon, either a padlock or sliders, indicating the current permissions for the site. This is a key area to check because it directly relates to your device's privacy settings. By clicking on this icon, you can access the permissions that Loom has for using your microphone and camera. Now click on the padlock or sliders icon. Doing this will bring up a menu where you can manage various permissions. This step is crucial because it allows you to check if Loom has permission to access your microphone. It's an important part of ensuring that your microphone is not being blocked by your browser settings. You will now need to locate the microphone option in the menu that appears and toggle it to allow. This is a significant step because if the microphone access is denied, Loom will not be able to use your microphone. Once you toggle it to allow, you can feel confident that Loom has the necessary permissions to function correctly. After that, refresh the page to apply the new settings. Refreshing is an essential step as it reloads the page with the updated permissions you just set. You will notice the page refreshing, and this will help confirm that the changes are now active. Next, open your Windows Settings menu, navigate to Privacy and Security, then select Microphone. This step is important as it allows you to verify and manage system-wide microphone settings. By accessing these settings, you can ensure that your microphone is enabled for all applications, including Loom. Once again, open your Windows Settings menu and navigate to Privacy and Security, then Microphone. This repetition reinforces the importance of checking both application-specific and system-wide settings. Scroll down and double-check that the master switch for Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is enabled as well. This step is critical because if this master switch is off, no application, including Loom, will be able to use your microphone. Ensuring this is enabled gives you peace of mind that your microphone settings are configured correctly. Finally, launch Loom. Open the Device Settings menu indicated by the gear icon and pick your exact microphone from the drop-down list. This last step is crucial because it ensures that Loom is using the microphone you want. Once successfully chosen, you can now start your recording or video call with confidence that your microphone will be working properly. With these steps completed, you should be well on your way to fixing your microphone issues in Loom. Remember, each step is important, and following them carefully will lead to a successful resolution.